You leave a warm tint on the glass, a simple unassuming glance, like a story I forgot, like a sunbeam in a dusty spot. One quiet laugh, a single word, and the whole world feels a little blurred, like a watercolor soft and new, spreading gently just from you. Coffee rings on pages worn before the city wakes at dawn. I was lost inside a thought till your quiet humming caught. You said a name I didn't know from a book you read so long ago. Still it settled in my mind and made the morning feel so kind. I don't have a name for this, it's too fleeting for a simple wish, but somehow all the gray and blue starts to shimmer thanks to you. You leave a warm tint on the glass, a simple unassuming glance, like a story I forgot, like a sunbeam in a dusty spot. One quiet laugh, a single word, and the whole world feels a little blurred, like a watercolor soft and new, spreading gently just from you. Later on beside the train, standing waiting in the rain, you looked up and caught my eye as the busy world went rushing by. It was barely even there, just a moment in the air. Small things don't need to be grand, they just fit right in your hand. Maybe that's the secret part, how it gently holds the heart, a tiny detail easy to ignore. If you've never seen it there before, you leave a warm tint on the glass, a simple unassuming glance, like a story I forgot, like a sunbeam in a dusty spot. One quiet laugh, a single word, and the whole world feels a little blurred, like a watercolor soft and new, spreading gently just from you. I know it feels like nothing much, just a fleeting gentle touch, but that small and quiet spark is a lantern in the dark. You don't even have to try, you just color in the sky, leaving traces soft and true where the world was gray before you.
ถ้าลงเนี่ยลงสนามกอล์ฟเขาแล้วเอาไอ้นี่เอาไอ้นี่มาแปะได้เอาลูกศรเลี้ยวซ้ายมาแปะโอ้โหเช็ดขึ้นเบาๆค้างมือไว้ค้างไว้ค้างไว้ค้างไว้อีกหน่อยพอค้างไว้นะเปลี่ยนมาใช้นิ้วกดซ้ายกดขวาแล้วก็หยิบตรงนี้ตรง